Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 10 Mathematics class. We are learning algebra. It is chapter 3. Okay. Today we are going to solve word problems involving quadratic equations. Have you all done the 3 homework problems I gave in the last class? Do you need the answer now? Okay. We can discuss the answer now. Okay, just check your answer. This is the homework problem I gave, correct? So solve by formula method. The first one answer is minus 1 by 4 and 2. The second one answer is minus 2 comma minus 15 by 2. And the last one answer is x equal to 2 and 6. Okay, check it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then today we are going to solve problems involving quadratic equations. You can refer page number 115. Okay. Listen, dear students. Interesting word problem we are going to solve, and for some certain conditions. Listen. You can refer page number 115 in your textbook. For solving problems involving quadratic equations, some steps they give. We can learn that first. Steps to solve a problem. Convert the word problem to the quadratic equation form. First, we need to convert the word problem to the quadratic equation form. After converting into quadratic equation, we need to solve it by any one of the above 3 methods. What are the 3 methods? Factorization method, completing the square, and formula method. Which method is very easy for you? That method you can use. Okay. Then relate the mathematical solution obtained to the statement asked in the question. So you need to relate that solution. According to the question, we can relate that. Shall we solve now? Example 3.36. Okay, listen. The product of, what is the meaning? Product of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Which symbol suits for product? Multiplication. So we are going to multiply 2 terms or sometimes 3 terms. Let me see. The product of Kumaran's age. So there is a boy, Kumaran. So Kumaran's age in years, 2 years ago. What is the meaning? Ago, before. Okay. And his age 4 years from now. 4 years from now. If his present age is 10 means 4 years from now is 10 plus 4, 14. So if his age is 10 means 2 years ago means 8. In that way we need to calculate. Is 1 more than twice his present age. So twice means 2 times. What is his present age? His present age we don't know. So let the present age of, we don't know the present age of Kumaran. So we can take it, let the present age of Kumaran be, we don't know, correct? So x years. Got it? Okay. Then 2 years ago, 2 years ago, his age. What is his age 2 years ago? 2 years before, what is his age? X minus 2 years. We need to subtract 2 years. Okay. 4 years from now. 4 years from now. His age means Kumaran's age only. 4 years from now. We need to add, correct? X plus 4 years. Now come to the statement. That is given the product of. So we need to multiply some terms into. What is the thing we are going to multiply? The product of Kumaran's age 2 years ago and. So before the and 1 term and after the and 1 term. So Kumaran's age 2 years ago, that is x minus 2. We are going to multiply that. X minus 2 into. Then and his age 4 years from now. This age. So x plus 4. Is. What is the meaning of is? Equal to. Okay. 1 more than. What is the meaning? 1 more than. 1 plus 1 more than. Twice. 2 times. 2 into his present age. What is his present age? X. So what is the first step? We need to rearrange the wordings into statement. Okay. Once again listen. The product of. So multiplication of Kumaran's age 2 years ago, this first term, and 4 years from now, the second term. Is means equal to. Okay. 1 more than. So 1 more than means plus. Twice, 2 times. So 2 into. Then his present age means x. Got it? Now we can arrange into quadratic equation. So multiply this. X into x square. X into 4, 4x. Minus 2x minus 2 4s are 8, which is equal to 1 plus 2x. Now x square plus 4x minus 2x, 2x minus 8. Take all the terms this side. Minus 1 minus 2x equal to 0. Now plus 2x and minus 2x cancel. Very easy, no? So x square minus 8 minus 1 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So x square equal to 9. So for which numbers? When we square two numbers, we will get 9. What are the two numbers? 3 square is 9. Minus 3 this whole square also 9. So x will get two values. X equal to plus or minus 3. Because plus 3 the whole square equal to 9. Also minus 3 the whole square also equal to 9. So x equal to plus or minus 3. But here x means age of Kumaran. Is it possible the age will become negative anywhere? No, not at all. So x equal to age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. So therefore, what is the final answer? Therefore, x equal to 3. Here x means present age of Kumaran. So final answer. So listen, what is the final answer? Kumaran's present age is 3 years. Very easy question. The product of, so multiplication, then this two terms which is equal to, according to the statement, I wrote the equation. So 1 plus 2x, then convert into standard form of the quadratic equation, then solve as per the method you have. Here, no method we just use the factorization method. Factorized only, no. So age cannot be negative. So only we neglected the minus sign. And what is the final answer? Kumaran's present age is 3 years. Got it? Okay, listen dear students. Next example. Sorry. Example 3.37. Okay, listen. Question I am reading with the help of the textbook. You can see page number 115. Okay. So listen. A ladder. Ladder, do you know the meaning? In Tamil, do you know the meaning? Yeni. Okay. A ladder 17 feet long is leaning against a wall. Okay. There is a wall, vertical wall. This is wall. Okay. And this wall, we are leaning a ladder against the wall 17 feet long. So we are leaning a ladder like this. Is it like a ladder? Okay, consider this, okay, like a ladder. Then 17 feet long. This is 17 feet long. If the ladder, this ladder, vertical wall, this wall and the floor, this floor from the bottom of the wall to the ladder form the right angle. Forming a right angle, correct? Okay. Find the height of the wall. The height of the wall we need to calculate. We don't know the height. So h, we can mention it is h. Where the top of the ladder means this, meets if the distance between bottom of the wall means this one, to the bottom of the ladder, this distance is 7 feet less than the height of the wall. What is the meaning? 7 feet less than the height of the wall. Height of the wall, sometimes we can consider this. Height of the wall is 20 feet means. Then this distance, according to the given information, 7 feet less. So minus 7. What is the answer? 13 feet. If it is 10 feet means minus 7. 3 feet. But we don't know the height of the wall. So we can consider this 7 feet less than this height. This is the data given. 7 feet less than the height of the wall. But we don't know about this height. Okay. So from this we need to reduce how much feet? 7 feet. That is the distance between the bottom of the wall to the bottom of the ladder. This distance they indirectly given us 7 feet less than the height of the wall. So from this height we need to reduce 7. So this height we need to reduce 7. That is the concept. And here they indirectly given it is we need to use the which theorem? Pythagoras theorem, because this forms a right angle triangle. Okay, since it is right angle triangle, the only theorem for the unique right angle is Pythagoras theorem only. So we need to use that theorem. We can find the height value, that is we need to find the height of the wall only. No, so height of the wall is h value we are going to find. Shall we solve now? The concept, is it okay? Okay, listen dear students. The data I written. Example 3.37. The diagram, have you all understood? Okay, height of the wall is h feet, and by given this distance, what they given? From this you need to reduce 7. So h minus 7. So BC is equal to h minus 7 feet. So since it is right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So here according to this we can write AC square, that is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Now substitute the value. AC 17 square which is equal to AB h square plus BC h minus 7 the whole square. Now we need to arrange it into the quadratic equation. How can we solve? 17 square is 289. It is equal to h square plus this one we can expand using a minus b the whole square formula. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. 289 is equal to h square plus h square. Here 2h square we can write now. So 2h square minus this one 14h plus 7 square is 49. Now take the all terms in one side. So 0 is equal to 2h square minus 14h plus 49 minus 289. So 0 is equal to 2h square minus 14h minus here 289 minus 49. What is the answer? 240. Correct. So again it is possible 214 and 240 comes in which table? Second table. So you can divide it by 2. 0 equal to h square minus 7h minus 140. Now you can solve using factorization method, otherwise completing the square, otherwise which one? Formula method. So here we can use factorization method. Minus 140 and minus 7. What are the possibilities? 15. Sorry, this number is not 140, 120. Okay. So while multiplying 120, we will get 15 and 8. So minus 15 and 8, and minus 15 plus 8 is minus 7. So since here the variable is h now, so by h and by h, we can write it as 0 is equal to h minus 15 into h plus 8. So h minus 15 equal to 0 or h is equal to h plus 8 equal to 0. So h is equal to, well, transposing we are getting 15 feet or h is equal to minus 8 feet. Here also minus value not possible because the height is not in negative. So height cannot be negative. So what is the final answer? Therefore, height of the wall only they ask now. Wall is equal to 15 feet. Got it? Yes. Shall we move for the next problem? 3.38 now. Listen dear students. Example 3.38. A flock of swans contain x square members. So what is the total number of swans? First for rough work we will write, after that we can write fair work. Okay, for an understanding I am telling this. The flock of swans contain x square members, so total x square members. Then as the clouds gathered, 10x went to the lake. As the clouds gathered, the swans went to the lake. How many swans went to the lake? 10x. So number of swans went to the lake. How many swans? 10x went to the lake. Then 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. So number of swans went to garden. So how many number went to garden? 1/8 of the members. So how can we write 1/8 of the members? 1/8. 1/8 means 1/8 of the members. So into how many members? X square, which is equal to x square by 8 members where? Went to the garden. Then the remaining 3 pairs. So how much remaining? 3 pairs. 3 pairs means 1 pair means 2. So 2 pair means 4. 3 pair means 6. Remaining how many pairs? 3 pairs. That means 6 swans. 6 swans only remaining. So listen the question carefully. Total number of swans x square. Number of swans went to the lake 10x is given. Number of swans went to the garden 1/8 of the members. So 1/8. 1/8 means 1/8. 1/8 into of the members means total members. So x square. Then 1 into x square is x square by 8. Then remaining how many swans are there? 3 pairs. 3 pairs means 1 pair means 2. So 3 pairs means 3 into 2, 6. Got it? Okay. Then how many swans were there in total? Total means we need to find x square only we need to find. Shall we solve now? Okay, listen dear students. For question you can refer your textbook. A flock of swans containing x square members. So only total number of swans x square. You can see your book in the same time. As the clouds gathered, 10x went to the lake. So number of swans went to the lake 10x. And 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. So number of swans flew to garden, that is went to garden. 1/8 of the members. So 1/8 into total member, that is x square. So x square by 8. The remaining squares 3 pairs, that means 3 into 2, 6 swans. How many swans were there in total? So total number of swans we need to find. So by the data, by the given data, listen, how many swans are there? From x square swans, how many went to the lake? Went means it flew away, no? So we need to add or subtract. From this group, some members gone. So minus 10x. And again, when it is feel rainy, no? So some swans also flew away. Flew away means it's gone. So we cannot add, we need to subtract. So minus x square by 8. Then remaining, so still there, which is equal to, after reducing these things, there are some swans. How much? 6. So we formed the statement of the equation. Now we need to convert into general form. So just take the LCM. 8. So 8x square minus 1 no, by 1. So 80x minus x square equal to 6. 8x square minus x square, 7x square minus 80x, which is equal to cross multiplying 48. So just take it one side. 7x square minus 80x minus 48 equal to 0. Now we got the standard form of the quadratic equation. Shall we solve now? Shall we solve using by formula method? Okay. So by quadratic formula, what is that? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here, what is a? 7. B minus 80. C minus 48. Okay, good. Listen dear students, I wrote the formula. Now minus b value minus 80 plus or minus square root of b square minus 80 the whole square minus 4 into a 7 c minus 48 by 2 into a 7 which is equal to minus into minus plus. So 80 plus or minus square root of minus square is plus. Then 80 square, 8 8s are 64, 0, double 0, no. Minus into minus plus. 7 4s are 28, correct. So 28 into 48 you need to calculate. Okay, listen dear students. 28 into 8, 8 8s are 64, balance 6. 8 2s are 16, 22. Then 8 4s are 32, balance 3. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 4, 4, 3, 1. Shall we solve now? So 1, 3, 4, 4 by 7 2s are 14 which is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of, we are adding this 6400. So 4, 4, 7, 7. So 7744 divided by 14 which is equal to 80 plus or minus. Here shall we find square root of this 7744 by long division method. Okay, just separate the rough column for this and 7744 split two terms from the last and 77. Think of the square table. 8 8s are 9 9s are 9 9s are 81, no. So 8 8s are, it will come correctly. 8 8s are 64. So what is the remaining? 3 1 and 2 terms, 2 numbers you need to take down. So 4 4. Here the first number, how can we write? That number into, whatever be the question, that number into 2. So 16. For polynomials, for the next number, for the next term, we will divide first term by first term, correct? But for number, you don't need to divide by this. We need to check for the next number. Same number you need to put. That means 16 means here one number and the same number you need to put. Here see the last number 4. So which square number ending 4? 2 2s are 4 it will end. We can check it for 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. And here, no, very small value, no. Then check for another square number. Same number only you need to put. Here the ending 4. So ending square number you need to check. Then which number will come correct? 8 8s are 64, no. So 8 8s are 4. It also ending in 4. We can check for that. 64. Then 48 means 54, no. So 5. Then again 13. Coming correctly, no? So what is the answer? 8 and here also 8. 1344. We are getting the correct answer. So what is the answer here? 88 divided by 40. Now two terms here. What are the two terms? X variable, no? So x equal to 80 plus 88 by 14. One more answer, 80 minus 88 by 14. Okay, listen students. 80 plus 88. 8, 16 by 14. Here minus 8 by 14. Cancel it for the second table. 168 by 14. And here minus 8 by 14. 7 times, correct? Here 8, 4. Then also 7. 1 7 is 7, 2, 12 it will come, correct. And here also 4 and 7. So what is the final answer? X equal to 12, comma minus 4 by 7. Number of swans, will it be in fraction? No, 4 by 7. And will it be in negative? No. So number of swans cannot be negative. Therefore, we need to find total number of swans only they asked. So total number of swans equal to x square. Total number of swans equal to x square, which is equal to x value we got. Therefore, x equal to 12. So number of swans cannot be negative. So therefore x equal to 12 because minus value not possible. So total number of swans equal to x square, that means 12 square, which is equal to 12 12s are 144 swans. So in the group how many swans? From 144 swans only, some went to the garden, some went to the lake, and remaining 6 are there. Okay, got the concept clearly, students? Okay, listen to your students. Example 3.39. Okay, a passenger train takes 1 hour more than the express train to travel a distance of 240 km from Chennai to Viruthachalam. The speed of passenger train is less than that of the express train by 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. Normally, passenger train and express train. Which train will move fast? Express train will only move fast. So here, passenger train takes 1 hour more than the express train. If the express train will reach by 6 o'clock means, passenger train will reach by 1 hour more. It will reach by 7 o'clock only. That is the meaning. Okay. To travel a distance of 2 trains are traveling distance. How much distance only? 240 km. From which place to which place? Chennai to Viruthachalam. So for the first statement, what is the meaning? Express train will move fast and passenger train will take 1 hour more than that. Express train will reach by 5 o'clock means passenger train will reach the same place by 6 o'clock only. That is the meaning. So next. So the speed of the passenger train is less than that of the express train. Reaching time for express train is greater, but which train has the highest speed? Express train or passenger train? Express train only. So here how much greater? The speed of the passenger train is less than that of the express train by 20 km. Express train will move by some kilometers means, that means some 80 km means passenger train will move by 60 km only, because the speed is very less. Otherwise passenger train sometimes 50 means express train 20 km more than that, so 70 km like that. Okay, find the average speed of both the trains. We don't know the speed of 2 trains. We need to consider x, otherwise y. Then we need to form some equations according to the given data. Then at last we will get the answer. Okay. Okay, listen students. First we will write the rough work. After that we can write the fair work. So distance. Total distance for passenger train and express train. Both the distance is 240 km only. Okay. For passenger train, what is the speed? The average speed of both the trains we don't know. So we need to consider. So passenger train, let me consider as x km per hour. Okay. Then what for the express train? Here already the value is given 20 km less. For passenger train the 20 km less. So for express train 20 km more no. So this is x km means express train will move fast than the passenger train. So how much kilometer? More 20 km. So x plus 20 km per hour. Okay. Then consider the time. Passenger train takes 1 hour more than the express train. No? So do you know the formula relating distance, speed and time? Distance equal to speed into time. Have you learned anywhere? Science, definitely you should learn. No, distance equal to lower classes itself you learn. Speed into time. So here how can we calculate the time? Distance by speed. This formula only we are going to use here. So time equal to distance by speed. For passenger train, what is the distance? 240 by what is the speed? X. So time taken by the passenger train to reach the place. So express train, the same formula only, distance by speed. So what is the distance? 240 by what is the speed? X plus 20. Got it? Have you got the clear idea about this word problem? First for passenger train, next for express train. The speed we don't know, so we took it as x. But for express train, it will move fast now. The given value is 20 km. So only we had added that x plus 20 km per hour. The time we calculated by using this formula. Distance equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So this the same distance only. For Chennai to Viruthachalam, here 240 km. Passenger train also, express train also the same kilometers only. So 240 by speed is here x and here speed is x plus 20. Okay, shall we solve now? Okay, just fill the data. Already we wrote, no? We are going to fill this. Example 3.39. You need to refer the question by which is in page number 116. So let the average speed of passenger train. Already we wrote speed of passenger train is x kilometer. Then this is for rougher the examination you need to write like this. Then average speed of express train we wrote, what is that? X plus 20 kilometer per hour. Then time taken by the passenger train to cover the distance of 240 kilometer. What is the time taken? We can use different color. Okay. 240 by x. Then time taken by the express train to cover the distance. 240 by x plus 20. Okay. Now, by the given data, you should read the question now. What is the question? The passenger train will take how many hours more than the express train? 1 hour more. So, passenger train data, what is the time? Here only time, no? So, passenger train's time 240 by x, which is equal to, it will take 1 hour more than the express train. So, 1 hour more than the express train time. 240 by x plus 20. This is the main step. Listen carefully. This is time taken by the passenger train. It will take 1 hour more than the express train. Got it? Okay. Shall we solve now? Here express train 5 hours means 5 plus 1, it will take 6 hours. So that is the mean. So 240 by x, just take this side, minus 240 by x plus 20 equal to 1. Now shall we take 240 as common? So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 equal to 1. Just take the LCM. 240 here x into x plus 20, and for numerator what are the values will come? X plus 20 minus x, which is equal to 1, and plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Then 240 into 20, which is equal to, we need to cross multiply this. So x into x plus 20. Then here 2 zeros will come, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to x square plus 20x. Collect all the terms in one side. So 0 equal to x square plus 20x minus 4800. Now you need to factorize this. What are the factors? You can use formula method also. Which method you will prefer easy, that method you can choose. So 80, 60 will it come? 8, 6 or 48, no? So 80 and minus 60. Correct. So 0 equal to x plus 80 into x minus 60. So x plus 80 equal to 0 or x minus 60 equal to 0. X equal to minus 80 and x equal to 60. Here that is speed, no? Speed is, will it be negative? Speed cannot be negative. So x equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Actually x is the speed of which train? Passenger train. Express train means x plus 20. Therefore, average speed of passenger train is equal to 60 kilometer per hour, and average speed of which train? Express train is how many kilometer more than that? 20 kilometer more, because already we wrote that is x plus 20. So this x plus 20, that is 80 kilometer per hour. That's all the answer. Okay, got the concept clearly, students? Listen, dear students, homework problem. Exercise 3.12 first problem. Just I am telling the concept only, you need to do as homework, okay? If the difference between a number and its reciprocal, we don't know the number, find the number. So let the number be, we can take it as x or y, whether your choice, x. Difference means what sign will come? Minus. So difference between a number, this number, and its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x equal to 24 by 5. And just take the LCM. convert into the quadratic equation and find the answer for x. You will get easily only. So here this question you can do as homework. Got the concept? You need to take the number bx and the reciprocal be, its reciprocal is 1 by x. So by the data. Steps you can write like this, okay? By the given data, difference means minus between which number? A number, this number, and its reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by x. Is means equal to. Whenever you will face is, was, will, the place you need to put equal to. So 24 by 5. Find the number. The x value you need to find. Okay students? Maintain the proper classwork and finish the homework. We can see in the next class. We need to solve remaining 8 problems in exercise 3.12. And before that you need to study properly. Okay, have a nice day.